Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Our today topic is to carry out static analysis of car jack assembly in Solidworks simulations. In this lesson, you will learn how we can define pin joints as well as how we can define screw joints, and will analyze the forces in pin as well as screw connectors. You will also learn how we can apply or fix a surface in a specific directions using different fixtures. First of all, download this assembly file from our video link and press the screw rod part. After that, go to Simulation tab and start a new study. Name it, that is car jack analysis. First of all, you will assign material to all parts of jack. Click on the parts and apply material as plain carbon steel. Then our next step is to define the global interactions. Here is the global interactions. Go to edit definition and from interaction type select contact type. Okay. And now it's time to define the pin joints. Again, right click on the connections and select the pin. Select these three faces. And pin with retaining ring. Similarly, define the pin joints to all these holes. Again, we repeat this. This face, and this face. So we have defined 10 number of pin joints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again go to connectors and select bolt connector type. And first option is the standard screw with nut, then countersink screw with nut, and this is the standard screw. So select this third options, then select the circular edge and a cylindrical face. Okay, so we have added a screw to this assembly. Now define the fixtures. Add the bottom fixture. Please note that this whole assembly has no movement in z directions. So there is no movement in this directions. In order to apply the fixtures to fix this directions, again go to fix geometry and from advanced options select use reference geometry and select all these faces. And from direction, click on the direction tab and select the front plane. Then make zero movement in the z directions. You can see the direction of the arrow, that there is no movement in this direction. Okay. Again, there is no movement of this part in this directions, in x directions. Again, we will apply the reference geometry. Go to fixed geometry, and from advanced options, select reference geometry, select this face, and from directions, select right one, then add zero movement in x directions. So this jack cannot move toward the screen, and this part of the jack cannot move in the x directions. And the last step is to apply the load in terms of force on this top face with value of 900 Newton. Okay. Now right click on the mesh, create mesh, and from the mesh parameters, select curvature based mesh. Please subscribe our channel for more Solidworks simulation tutorials. Wait until mesh is being generated. You can join us our Solidworks training course. Link is given in video descriptions on Udemy. Now go to the properties, and from manual select the Intel direct sparse solver. Okay, and run your study now. So here is one warning that there is no preloading on the board. Do you wish to continue? Yes. So I was asking you, if you want to join our Solidworks training course on Udemy, link has been given in video descriptions. This is very useful course. So wait until your solution completes. So our simulation has been completed. If we check the stress values, in megapascals, you can see the maximum stress in this car jack assembly is 8.28 megapascal. That is very less than that of the yield strength of the materials. If you want to check the displacement, so maximum displacement occurs here on the top of the jack assembly, that is 0.013 millimeter. Just scale up the deformation and animate the working of the jack. So you can see how actual it will behave. You can also check the factor of safety for all parts of the jack. So minimum factor of safety is 27. That is much more. And now it's time to check the forces, shear and axial forces on the pin joints as well as on the screws. So from the result tabs, select list connector force. You can see here is the all connectors. If you want to check the forces in pin 1, click here. So here is the shear force in the pin 1 is 348.8 Newton, while axial force on this pin is minus 72.6 Newton. Okay, there is no torque. You can also check the values for pin 2. Similarly, you can check any pin here, and for this pin the shear force is 326.4 Newton, while axial force is minus 77 Newton. And in the last, if you want to check the forces on screws, you can see there is no shear force on the screw, while the axial force is about 1051.4 Newton, and this is the bending moment of the screw. So in this way, today we learn how you can assign or carry out the simulations of a car jack assembly in order to learn to define the pin joints, screw joints, and apply the fixture in various dimensions or directions. So please subscribe our Solidworks simulation tutorials for more tutorials. Thank you for your time.